Good morning, everyone. Thank you for taking the time to be here today. Let me start with a question. How often do you or someone you know reach for an energy drink to get through a busy or intense workout? Now, imagine an energy drink that only boosts your energy but also nourishes your body with natural, healthy ingredients. Unhealthy ingredients. That's what our product is all about. I'm Angelo Getgano, and I'm thrilled to present our business plan Energy Drink, a healthy and natural energy drink designed to support athletes, students, and employees. Energy Drink. Here are the essential ingredients to make a healthy juice. We need water, coconut water, lemon, sweet blend honey or honeybee, herbs like fresh grated ginger. We also need liquid base, salt or iodized salt, ice, and fresh fruit. Here are the sample of machines that we will use to create energy use. This energy drink filling machine is used for producing non-carbonated beverages such as sports drinks and vitamin drinks. It can be filled with PET bottles and glass bottles. The energy drink filling equipment can form a fully automatic energy drink filling production line with other automatic secondary packaging. Sorting processes aims to inspect raw materials so as to ensure the quality of mango juice. 9 mature is the best. Fruit sorter can help stop to get rid of those unripe disease or rotten fruit. Juice filling machine can realize filling and packaging of juice, which is a necessary step for juice mass production and sale. A Kiko automatic bottle filling machine can carry out bottle transmission, overturn, filling and draining process automatically. And here are our floor plan. As you can see, we will see a lobby, a hallway, and storage room. And in the storage room, we will be able to um, put our product to keep safe, especially to the bacteria. Making a business is not uneasy. We have a mission statement. Our mission is to create energizing, healthy energy drinks and support students and athletes in achieving their academic and extracurricular goals, promoting focus, endurance, and overall well being. And also, we have a business overview. We offer a line of energy drinks designed specially for students, featuring natural ingredients, essential vitamins, and no added sugars. Our products are tailored to meet the demands of studying, late night projects, and active lifestyle, ensuring sustained energy without the crash. We also have a financial growth plans. We aim to achieve a 20% growth in sales over the next 3 years through strategic partnership with campus retailers, online sales platforms, and targeted marketing initiatives. Our plans include introducing seasonal flavors, hosting campus events, and collaborating with student organizations to build brand loyalty and engagement. By focusing on student needs and preferences, we aim to become a go-to energy drink choice on campus nationwide. And here are our company description. Juicylicious was founded in 2024 by Glacy T. Lausa, located at General Trias, Cavite, with a mission to provide a quality, affordable, and healthier alternative to traditional energy drinks that is perfectly designed to help students excel in both academics and extracurricular activities, enhancing their focus, stamina, and overall well-being. The researchers performed a thorough investigation from various studies and literature that regards the possible benefits of energy juice in its run in the energy drink industry. So here are the pros of healthy juices. Offer many benefits including improved alertness, elevated mood, rapid reaction time, improved physical endurance weakness, assessing the weakness of the product, cardiovascular problems are one of the most important factors that you should keep in mind that when you are consuming an energy drink would be the effect it would have on your heart. And also we have the cons. The main problem of energy drink is it high on sugar, with gain addictive opportunities, exploring the opportunities and knowing the weaknesses. Energy drinks are evolving to incorporate functional ingredients like electrolytes and vitamins. Now let's proceed to our target marketing campaigns. First is the athletes, second one is students, and the last one is the employees. It is important to us to drink an energy drink of everyday life. Here are our loyalty programs. We'll offer a loyalty program where customers can earn points for each purchase, leading to rewards such as discounts. And here are our customer loyalty and repeat business, quality and consistency. Consistency delivering high quality, great testing product that meet the energy and performance need of customers is the key to building trust and loyalty. Will ensure that the experience is reliable and enjoyable from flavor to packaging to convenience. Here are our sales and distribution strategies. The cost of distribution. Jusilicious organizational chart: CEO or general manager, finance manager, marketing manager, production manager, and human resource manager. Here are our sales strategy. To successfully promote our energy drink, we will concentrate on reaching out to people who prioritize their health and participate in a variety of physical activities. Our plan involves leveraging social media to connect with our audience through recognizing fitness influencers and brand ambassadors that align with our values of energy, endurance, and performance. We also emphasize the unique perks of our product like natural ingredients, reduced sugar, and added vitamins to set us apart from competitors. Our financial projection. The following pages include multi-year projections for income, cash flow, balance statement, as well as estimated financial ratios. These projections are for the juicy issues only. Assumptions. Selling price per bottle is 20 pesos. Initial monthly sales volume is 5,000 bottles. Growth rate in sales volume is 15% per year. Fixed cost is 6,760.80 centavos. One is the variable cost, ingredients, packaging, distribution, 20 per bottle. So here are the summary of our business plan. Year 1, net profit of 30,000. Year 2, net profit of 16,500. Year 3, net profit of 984. And also, here are the Appendix A, the ingredients, material, and other expenses. And lastly, here are our possible consumers. Stat Gym Fitness Center in Trece Martinez, Cavite. Up Fitness Gym and Cafe, General Trias, Cavite. Philippine Sports and Performance in Palapala, Dasma, Cavite. And lastly, in Anytime Fitness, Dasmariñas, Cavite. So this is the end of our presentation of our business plan. I hope you like it. Thank you very much.